Every photo you see on Instagram by a professional photographer is edited, period. At least some basic tweaks. Welcome to new segment on the channel, that is 2-minute tutorials. In the first episode, we are going to edit a photo that is taken on Canon 6D Mark II and see how greatly a basic edit can affect the overall results. There is a misconception that higher-end cameras take great colorful photos. But in reality, high-end cameras are great at capturing the most accurate images and capture as much data as they can so that you can edit it afterwards. Well, that's a topic for another day. Let's open the photo in Snapseed. First, we have to adjust the framing and crop the photo according to our need. Then head over to Tune Image. We have to adjust the basic parameters such as brightness, saturation and shadows. First, let's adjust the brightness as the photo is already well exposed. No need to change much. Then adjust the contrast. What we have to do here is experiment with the levels according to our image. Contrast will make the image more dramatic. Then the important parameter is saturation. Generally, we love to see more saturated and vibrant photos. So increase it a little bit, but not too much. Ambience affects the photo similar to saturation, but it makes the dark areas bright and vice versa. While changing the highlights, you have to keep in mind what is the brightest point in the image. If everything looks white, then you need to reduce the highlights. Shadows work similar to contrast. If we increase the shadows, picture will be more dramatic. Sometimes you might need to show area which is not visible in photo due to harsh shadows. In that case, you need to reduce the shadows. Warmth acts as white balance and it is so much underrated. Adjusting the warmth will make your photo look orangish or bluish. After these little tweaks, image already looks really good, as you can see. What I like to do afterwards to make the image more dramatic is to add vignette effect. Corners of the image will become darker and the center will be brighter. What you want to be emphasized. Also, there is an effect called portrait in Snapseed, by which you can make adjustment in the face and make it brighter, maybe reduce the roughness of the skin and lighten the eyes. I like to add little brightness to the face, that's all. After all these tweaks, your image is ready. You can experiment with these parameters to make the images look better within few minutes. So that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this one and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.